So today I'm going to be doing these cute summery yellow and blue polygel nails. If you're interested to see how I got these nails, then please keep on watching. So hey everyone, today I'm going to start off by just applying my nail tips. And you guys already know, if you've been watching me, I like to do this with gel because I find that it removes the easiest and I find that it is the easiest to cure as well. So I'm just basically applying a really nice thin layer on my natural nails, and then I put a tiny bit of the base coat gel into the well of the tip, and then I start to press that onto the tip of my nail and then cure under the light. I find that it is easiest to do this with a bigger LED light because you can actually fit both your hands in there whilst you're holding the tip, which is really easy to do compared to one of those really tiny like mini LED lights. And now I'm just cutting down the tips ever so slightly, and I'm using this polygel from the, I forgot what it's called, it's the House of Florists, I think. I did a review on this kit and I did these really nice nails that some people are seeming to enjoy, so thank you guys so much for the positive feedback on that video. And what I'm basically doing is kind of like a marble, so I'm doing dark blue with yellow, and the point of this is to be able to use my brush to kind of merge the colors together so they kind of transition into this blue, green and yellow. You'll see what I mean in a minute. And I found that it was easiest to do this when applying a good amount of base coat gel and thin layers of polygel, because it then created this nice green color in between. And you'll see that now as I'm starting to blend those together, it's created this nice transition from the blue, green to yellow. And I really like that. It's like what I was going for. And I was originally thinking of doing this with yellow and pink, but I've realized I've done quite a few pink looks on my YouTube channel, so I thought I'd change it up a bit and go with this really nice blue color. As you can see, it's created like this cool green in there. And Macart polygel is so easy to use. It's really nice and soft. It's probably one of the softest I've used, and there was another one as well from Amazon that I used to use, but unfortunately it's no longer in stock. And I will be linking everything that I'm using for this video down below. So for this nail, I wanted to do kind of a color block nail, but with a tiny bit of glitter. And the glitter that I'm going to be using in this nail look today is going to be from a Fairy Gathering polygel kit from Macart, and I absolutely love that kit. I also did a really nice set of nails with that kit on my channel, and I will definitely link the House of Florists and a Fairy Gathering polygel review and demo in the description box, so please do check that out. I got very positive feedback on that video, so thank you guys so much, and thank you guys for supporting me on my nail journey and helping me grow. I really enjoy replying to people's comments, and you guys are honestly the sweetest, so thank you so much. So this is the bluish, kind of bluish or purplish, I'm not really sure, glitter that I'm going to be using, and I've kind of left a little gap there to fill that in, and that was really easy. It was just like a tiny little line. And this nail here, I'm going to do a kind of a gradient with the glitter, and I used a glitter in this kit from the Fairy Gathering, and it was this blue one. Now for those of you who still like to use acetone with polygel, it also does work fine, but I find that using base coat gel saves a lot of time because I don't have to constantly worry about the rubbing alcohol, the slip solution or the acetone from evaporating, and I also don't get like a sticky mess on my brush because what I'm essentially doing here is working gel with gel, so it works really smooth. And if you want to reduce filing time, you could definitely at the end, which I absolutely love doing this, when you like capping clear, you can add a nice thick layer of that base coat gel and then really smooth that nail out, and it will really reduce your filing time by like half. Like it's really good to do that, especially maybe if you're like hand filing or something. I love to e-file because it's super quick, but I know not everyone likes an e-file or has an e-file, so yes, save yourself time and save yourself the effort by using base coat gel, and you will immediately see how much easier it is with that. So on this nail, I wanted to kind of do like what I basically did on the middle finger, but as a smile line. And I wish I had left more space for this yellow glitter, which I've not used. This is from a fairy gathering, but it's the yellow one. I've never used this one before. It was my first time and I liked it a lot, so I wish I did actually use more of it and had left more space for that, but regardless, it still looked really nice. And for the pinky finger, I'm basically repeating what I did for the thumb, so I just dotted on a mixture of that blue and green, and I just basically blending those together. So if you guys want to get 15% off, that's 15 off your Macart order, you can use my discount code Nails by Kamin. Thank you for those people who have already used my code. Yes, it is an affiliate code, so I do make a small commission, but that does not come from your pocket. It's just a way of Macart for saying thank you for sharing our products, pretty much. So yes, just making you guys aware on that. And then I wanted to kind of add some flakes because I have these flakes that I got from one of my older videos, and I thought it would complement this glitter super nice. That was an optional step, of course, you don't have to do that, but just letting you guys know I did it. And now I'm just obviously capping in clear. I was about to say clapping in clear. Capping in clear, and the clear is also super easy to move and work around. Again, as you can see, my surface is super smooth because I'm able to use that base coat gel to my advantage and get a super smooth, that was a lot of S's, and get like a really nice even surface. So yeah, do try it out, it is really good. So I'm just making sure at this point to add in a bit of structure. I'm not too worried about too much structure in my nails because I do like to change my nails out very often, as you guys can tell from my YouTube videos, so I'm not too worried about them being perfect, but I love to stare at a good set of glittery crisp nails. So yes, I do like to add my glitter even if it's gonna be on my nails for a couple days. And yeah, every single set that I've done with the Macart Polygel so far, I think have been some of my absolute favorites. I don't know why I haven't been using Polygel this much before. I guess I was like more into like the whole acrylic thing, but now that I'm back into Polygel, it's like reminding me how much I used to love it and miss it. So yes, so now I'm just fixing up the shape. And again, because that will reduce my filing time, I like to perfect my application as much as I can in order to reduce my filing time, and that's what the nails basically look like. So to get a crisp shape, I like to work on the free edge, and then I like to smooth over the surface, which is usually very quick, and then I like to shape up the sidewalls. And I want to talk a little bit about this drill bit that I have. I got it from Amazon I think a month ago actually, and it's been so good. Like, it's a set and it looks identical to the Macart drill bits, but I thought this had like so many good reviews on it, so I thought I'd try it, and I've not stopped using these ever since. I used to use the white ceramic ones, and these are honestly game changers. Because they don't like get hot on the nail, and they stay a lot sharper as well, so you can use them for longer. And I have also found that they are easier to take down products, so I feel like they are a bit stronger as well. So if you are looking to buy yourself some good drill bits, then I will link these in the description box below. And the e-file I'm using is from Kamin. I absolutely love this file. It's been my first e-file so far, and it's not died out on me yet. It's still going strong, so I absolutely love this file. It is the JD700 file, and it is absolutely amazing. Now, because Polygel is super smooth to file, you can use a fine drill bit. I like to use a fine or a medium. This one is a medium. I like to switch it out just randomly, I guess. It doesn't really matter for me. And I just find that with the medium one, it is faster, of course, but with the finer one, it's kind of like if I want to be careful, let's say I've encapsulated something and I just want to be careful not to dig into it, or if I've done a really thin layer of like a clear cap, so that's usually when I'd use my fine. But this is a medium, and it's really, really good. I'm in love with this drill bit. And if you are a beginner, you can also use the safety drill bit that comes with this drill bit set. It is absolutely amazing too. So now I'm wiping away the brush with my dust brush, and this is what the nails basically look like so far. I kind of liked how nice and matte these were, but of course I had to go in with a glossy top coat. This is Makart's gel top coat. It's a no wipe, and I absolutely love top coat bits of a video. It is so satisfying, and I wish I kind of threw in a tiny bit of glitter in the marble, but then I remembered how much glitter I added on the ring finger, and this finger, the glitter, I wish I had added more. Or I think it was the other one, yeah. In the other one, I wish I had added more glitter, but like look at how stunning that glitter is. Like it's so, it's just so, I love it. I don't know what the word is, but it's really nice and really pretty to look at, I guess. And I will be posting some pictures of these on my Instagram. I've not been very active on there recently, so I'm sorry if you were like expecting a couple posts, but I am trying to hopefully post some more stuff on there. And this nail was really nice too. I don't do French nails too much because I'm still trying to like perfect my nail bed type thing going on. As you can tell, it's not perfect, but I'm still happy with it. Let me know what you think of these nails down below, and don't forget to check out my other two videos. I will link them below, and I might have them on screen. And that is that on that. Now before I finish off, I wanted to add some bling. So I have these crystals from AliExpress, and I just stuck some on, and I did a bit of like a cuticle crystal thing here, which I use my wax pencil for. If you struggle with placing your crystals, then please use a wax pencil. I promise it will change like the fiddling that you have to do with crystals. Like it would just save you a lot of time. I'm finishing off with some cuticle oil, which I absolutely love. This cuticle oil is only from the UK. I think it's from the Body Shop, so I will try to link something else down below. And make sure you rub this in really well to massage your skin. And that's it for this video. Look how stunning these are. I absolutely love them. They're like so summery. Finally, let me know what you guys think down below. And don't forget to use my discount code Nails by Kamin for 15% off. And here's a little close-up of like that glitter and the thumb. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.